Welcome to the series of Python programming. In last class, I taught about basic introduction of Python programming, history, all these things. From today, we will start our coding journey. Very coding, very basic coding we will do. Just hold on. Okay, before writing any code, we need to install Python. We have two options. Basically, we have more than 3-4 options. We use IDLE and PyCharm. We have to install. IDLE is the basic installation. Then we have another software, PyCharm. We need to install. PyCharm is not free, but there is a community version we can use for our programming. Okay, so you need to install IDLE first. Then for some advanced coding, we will use PyCharm. So for basic coding, suppose you need to add two number. In C, what you have to do? You have to write. You have to write int a, comma b, comma c. Then you have to assign value like a is equal to 5. You have to put semicolon, b is equal to 7, then c is equal to a plus b semicolon. Then for output you have to write printf, then percentage d for integer, like this. But in Python it's much easy, right? In command prompt this sign will come. You have to just write 2 plus 3, then enter. It will give output. No need to write all this coding, just to write two number and sign plus sign, no semicolon, no printf, nothing. That is the beauty of Python. This is for addition. You can write 5 minus 2, so it will give, then enter, it will give output. You can do 8 divided by 4, but this case it will give 2.0, means this is a floating number. Okay, if you write 5 divided by 2, it will give 2.5, 2.5, right? That means a floating number. There is a option called 5 slash slash 2. It will give output of 2. So this is called integer deviation. I am writing here. Okay. Simple coding. Another thing is that for bracket we use Bodmas rule in mathematics. We can do the same thing, that Bodmas rule. You can apply this in Python also. There is a power function in suppose you have to write 2 into 2 into 2. It will give output of 8, but instead of writing this, you can write 2 star star 3. It will give 8. Means double star means power. Good. Then we have mod function. You already know, I think. It will gives remainder. Oh, okay. Now in case of string, if we write Avhij, okay, it will print my name as it is. It will print like this. There is another option that is called print. Okay, no semicolon needed. It will print only difference between these two is there is single and there is no single. This is the difference only. And in C programming you need to write printf. Okay, then within double quotes you have to write Abhijit double quotation n and semicolon. Okay, and in case of Python you have to write print, not printf. And within single quote or double quote you have to write anything, no semicolon. This is the beauty of Python, less complicated. Okay. And the thing is that suppose I am writing a coding, print, not printf, print. Suppose Bob's laptop. Okay, so this is the single one. Okay. So another programming, suppose print Bob's laptop. Thing is that this is the opening quotes and this is the ending quotes. There is another quotes apostrophes. So this creates a problem. It will give error because the computer will understand this is the opening quotes and this is the ending. So there is another. So to solve this problem, Python has a solution. Solution is Okay, another coding, print, not printf. Bob's laptop, no semicolon. So there is a, this will give a error because this is opening quotes, this is ending quotes, this is another quotes. So this will create a problem as we are putting apostrophes. Bob's laptop. So there is a solution like print Bob slash, what do you mean by this slash? This means ignore next character. So compiler will ignore this, so it will print laptop. Okay, another coding. Suppose you want to print your name 2 times or 3 times. It can be plus. It means concatenation. Instead of writing this, you can write 5 into, it will print the name of Abhijit 5 times. So it's much easier. In case of C, you have to write within loop, but here just 5 into the string. So this is the beauty of Python. Another thing, suppose I write print within C docs name. If I print this, what will give the output? It will give the output then AME. Why? Because they found that slash n. Slash n means new line. So this is again creating a problem. So what will be the solution? Solution will be R. Then this R means raw string. It means it will print the wrong raw thing. Compiler will not check anything slash n slash b whatever it will be print the raw thing if you put r before any string. Okay, this is the some funny thing about Python programming. From next session we will start about variable. Okay, thank you.